Hello, my 200 plus subscriber. I'm super excited. I just want to thank you for sticking by me. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit on the subscribe button. And also, I just want to welcome you to December. I pray that the Lord grant your heart desire for you and bless the good work of your hands richly and abundantly. So, keep trying the tutorial. If you fail, watch the video over again and keep trying. Whatever you're doing that is good, keep trying. Don't relent. Keep trying, and you see the end product that it will be very good. So, I'll be teaching you how to make this boo gown. So I folded my fabric into four. I folded it into four. So on a normal note, I'm not supposed to join my boo at the shoulder, but because the fabric is not enough, so I have to join it at the shoulder. The steering at the shoulder. So in case your fabric is much, please do not um, join it at the shoulder. So we just go ahead and take the length of your gown. If it is 51, if it is 53, if it is the gown is to your knee level, if it is 30, you take the length of the gown. And also after taking the length of the gown, you can see that the length of the gown, you can see the length of the gown now. So whatever length that you desire or your client wants, give it to your client. So you take the length of your fabric, and also like I told you, I folded the fabric into four. So go ahead and take the sleeve length, that is from your the middle of your neck down to wherever the client wants the sleeve, the boo gown to fit in on the hand. So if whatever I want it to reach in the hand, if it is 20, if it is 23, if it's 24, so you measure it. So I'm taking the neckline now. The neckline, normally from the neckline and the shoulder is 7. So I will take the neckline because the person wants the neckline to be wide and it shouldn't be deep. So I'm taking the neckline, and that's what I was telling you the other time, the mid neckline down to where the client wants the sleeve to stop. So that's what I'm measuring. So my client needs 20, so I'm using 20 from the mid and neck down to my down to the hand. So that's what I measured there, and it is 20. You can see. So no, I've measured the neckline. Like I told you, the client wants the neckline to be wide, so I'm taking the depth 3. So I'm cutting the back equally, but if back and front equally. If you want the back to be higher than the front, you can as well do that. If you want the front to be lower or deeper, you can also take it more than the 3. You can take it 4, 5, 6. Also, you can make the neckline a V-neck, whatever neckline that you want. So just explore your creativity. So I've curved the neckline. I've curved it. You can see that I've curved it. So like I told you, if you like, let your back neckline be higher than the front neckline. So since I've slit the shoulder, so I'll just use 1 inch to slant it. You can see how I slant it. Just use 1 inch. On a normal note, if the shoulder I am not to join the shoulder, I wouldn't have slanted that place. So just slant it. We'll go ahead. We're going to cut out those parts that we've marked out. So we're going to cut it out. So the next thing is to mark out the armhole. So we are using 10, but unless the person have a very fat arm, so you can lower it down to 11 or 12. So I'm using 10. So for the armhole, then mark out the waist, which is 16, then normal hip 24. So I'm just gonna take out the measurement of my clients plus 2. The bust circumference, if it is 20 divided by 4, then add 2 inches. So you add 2 inches to all your measurement, the waist measurement, the hip measurement, and the armhole measurement. So you add 2 inches to it so that your clients will be able to wear their dress. So add 2 inches to each of the measurement. That's sewing allowance. You can see how I'm connecting it. So I'm just going to mark the hip measurement down to the end of my gown, but at the bottom of my gown I'm just going to leave 10 inches. So I've marked it out. You can see I've marked it out on this side. So you turn it and you mark at the other side also, so that it will be very easy for you to sew. So you mark it down. Okay, so we are going to cut out our what we use to turn the neck. So we'll cut it out. I've already cut it out. So I'll just go ahead and turn the neck. So you can also use bias to turn the neckline. So it depends on you. So we'll go ahead and turn the neckline. Then also join the shoulder, right side facing right side. So you can see I have turned the neckline. So I'm just going to use the um right side, like I told you, to face right side, and I'm going to sew. I'm going to sew it down. So I have to use the right side of the fabric to show you so that you can see it properly. So we'll go ahead and do that. I've joined the shoulder. I've joined the neck line also. I've turned the neckline. So you can see where I showed you that you should mark the armhole, and I've sewed it. You can see. Just go ahead after joining the shoulder. You turn it to the right side after joining the shoulder and turning the neckline. You place your fabric on the right side. You place it on top of under your footer, and you sew. So you can see. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to fold the edges. A gown is ready. Just fold the edges. You can as well use serger to weave the edges, and you can go ahead and wear your gown. Like I told you, from the bottom of the gown, measure 10 inches, 12 inches, so that it will ease your movement. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure that you turn on the notification bell. Bye.